Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today's April 24th, 2019. My name is Sabi, and this is today's markets wrap-up. As for our first piece of news, Ford announced a $500 million investment in the Amazon-backed electric automotive company, Rivian. This strategic partnership will allow Ford to build electric vehicles on Rivian's platform, with Rivian trucks expected to release 2020. Although Ford currently already produces a line of electric vehicles, they've been primarily small. Rivian's current 5-passenger pickup, which features 400 miles of range, is set to support Ford's mission in building a F-150 electric version. Shares of Ford posted moderate gains, with 0.74% up on today. As for our second piece of news, several Amazon insiders reported that the firm grants certain teams unnecessarily broad access to consumer data that reveals the device's owners and home address. The Whistleblowers belong to teams that are tasked to analyze voice recordings from the Alexa product and improve its speak recognition. They claim that their practices don't require such sensitive information. Such members have chosen to remain anonymous, having signed a non-disclosure agreement with the firm, but claim that such information is openly posted to select teams across up to 3 continents. Amazon have responded to the Bloomberg report, claiming that access to internal tools is highly controlled and is only granted to a limited number of employees who require such information. Further audits on employee access will be conducted. Amazon shares are down nearly 1.14%, its largest intraday fall in over a month. As for a third piece of news, McDonald's is currently working to make its delivery service, McDelivery, more profitable for its franchisees, and have met with Uber Eats executives in talks of lowering fees paid to the rideshare startup. McDelivery shares have seen a modest use and currently is under an exclusive contract with Uber. The possibility of terminating the exclusive deal remains a possibility, which would invite other providers such as Grubhub or DoorDash to help make McDelivery more affordable and accessible, such that it can appeal to a larger market. The report surfaced during a sensitive time, with only 1 month away from Uber's highly anticipated IPO. As for McDonald's, their shares are up 1.24%. Now let's see what happened with the markets. As for North America, they posted moderate losses. The TSX is down 0.5%, while the Nasdaq and S&P 500 are down roughly 0.22%. As for the European markets, there's a mixed picture. The FTSE is down 0.68%, the CAC 40 remains virtually neutral, while the DAX rise nearly 0.63%. Moving on to the Asian markets, we can see yet another mixed picture. The Hang Seng Index is down by nearly 0.53%. The ASX is up 1%, while the Nikkei is posted some moderate losses, down 0.27%. In terms of currency, the CAD is up by nearly 0.5% against the US dollar and the euro, while posting around 0.67% up against the Japanese currency. As for commodities, the WTI crude is up by 1.14%, while Brent rose by 0.68%. Gold and copper post moderate losses with 0.34% and 0.28% respectively. That is all for today's market wrap-up. Thank you for listening.